Today in the Venus Flytrap den, I had one of the strangest creatures I have ever filmed. This extremely hairy caterpillar. Venus flytraps catch all sorts of strange and weird creatures, but can it handle something as hairy as this caterpillar? Let's find out. When I found this caterpillar in my Venus flytrap room, it was just wandering across one of the Venus flytrap pots, completely unaware of the danger it was in. This caterpillar is one of the hairiest creatures I have ever found on my Venus flytraps, but those hairs are actually a warning sign that keeps larger predators at bay, but not flytraps. And it's not only the hairs, these things have 12 eyes! As the caterpillar continues to explore, it even tries to eat the Venus flytrap, but these traps are far too tough for this beast. But the flytraps are ready and waiting. It's not long before this caterpillar inevitably ends up on a trap. But can it be caught and can it escape? Let's find out! The caterpillar is only half caught, and when this happens, the creature can often escape, or sometimes it just destroys the plant and the creature. But this time, it breaks free. Once again, the creature tries to explore everything, and it's just quite amazing how hairy this fella is. What an incredible creature! Hairy caterpillars like this tend to thrive better over this time of year. Around autumn and winter, their hairs actually insulate the body. So not only are they a defensive mechanism, but they protect it from the cold. It starts heading onto one of my oldest traps. This trap has actually caught many creatures before, and you can see how contorted it is. And it's actually caught a caterpillar before. Check out the remains. It's not long before it wanders towards another trap, but this one is healthy and soon snaps shut. But once again, it's half caught and it can easily escape, as we've seen earlier. The caterpillar once again continues to explore, and I wonder whether it's time to intervene and remove the caterpillar from the plant. But then in front of my eyes, it heads straight towards yet another trap. This time most of the caterpillar has been caught, and there'll be no escaping this time. This extreme macro shot shows the incredible detail of this caterpillar, but also the design of the Venus flytraps, which make them the world's most deadly carnivorous plant. It's not long before the caterpillar is fully caught and its fate is sealed. As the digestion process begins, this caterpillar will become part of the plant and will help it grow to be stronger, bigger, better and faster than ever before. So the caterpillar's fully in the trap now and the digestion process has begun. If you want to see what happens after digestion, let me know in the comments and I'll get another video put together. Other than that, thanks for watching and see you on the next one.
Mr. Naked Landscaper.